Good morning, everyone. Welcome to My Future Success. You guys, I want to go over a couple trades that I just took this morning. Go ahead and show you guys transparency here for today here on my accounts. Ended up making about $870, 100% win rate on these trades. And I'm going to go over exactly the entries on where this populates on the chart. So before that, I just want to give a shout out real quick to everyone who has literally joined us in the last 24 hours here. Zimbraski, George, Tom, Wayne, and Brian. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate all of you. All these people ended up doing is go over here to My Future Success. You guys, you can transform your charts literally within a second. This is lifetime access. Go over here and just click I want this. When you're over here, take a look at some of the 5-star reviews that we've had with these metrics and a lot of success that people are having. But let's get back to the charts and show you exactly what I was looking at in the market. So when you input this onto your screens, you're literally going to be able to change your charts just like this to know exactly what metrics are displayed in the market to hopefully pull out gains just like I'm able to show you guys here. So let's go over these couple entries. I ended up doing a short, and a long entry. Why did I enter in on these? And how much profit did it actually make? So you guys, the first entry I was looking at over here, I noticed price was below this 50 here, which is great. My middle band here on the dashboard and the background ended up switching over to red. So this is where I was like, okay, this is telling me red, red, and red. The triple R's, you guys know what I mean. What does that mean? Red background, below 50, and the first bearish candle. Now you guys, these are all actually really quick scalp trades, literally lasting less than sometimes to a minute to 30 seconds on these. And these are just quick in and outs. Enter right here on candle close, end up drawing it down for a profit. This is the perfect entry, strong bearish candle, red background below the 50, all of our metrics in line, money momentum shifting out, solid red band. We then go over here, same exact setup. Do we have any of our strong candles here? No, this is the first one. This case, we actually ended up getting a sell signal. Here, we actually ended up beating out the sell signal, using this as confirmation, and then getting out. This one here, perfect sell signal illuminated. Money momentum here was kind of a par. It really wasn't doing too much. It started stepping down a little bit, ended up getting that nice bigger red dot, which is a key EMA crossover to the downside. And that is where I end up going short again for a quick scalp into the market. So next one, we go over here, long entry. This was the triple G's. Now, price action at this point wasn't necessarily above this 50 here, but what I noticed was market came up, came back, had indecision, and then we had all of our metrics. This started stepping back up. I like this. If you imagine yourself basically standing on this, which way is this heading? If this is heading up, what is price doing? Increasing. If this is heading down, what's happening to price? That means price is decreasing. So this is where I end up entering long on this one and running it up for a couple points into the market. Now you guys, let's just go back over here and I want to show you this. These are the trades here. Average trade time was actually 33 seconds. So again, not long at all, literally less than a minute, pulling out $870 here on this account. These are the trades that I took down here, 100% win rate, just so you guys can see transparency here on my prop firm accounts. But I want to get on here, you guys, and try to do videos like this where it shows the exact entries, what I was looking at. And someone other day, he's like, Justin, where do you put your stop losses? Where are you doing all this? You guys, I like to have this at candle high. So let's go like this. Where do you put your stops? Well, if this is our entry on this candle here, I like to put the stops above the previous candle. So this is our stop here. Then where's our next one? Let's go ahead and do this as well. Let's go here. Let's move this line. Where is our short entry here? Short entry, I'm going to put it right here. If we get stopped out, that's completely fine. This one did not end up getting stopped out on this. Entry long here. That was great. Took out profit. Or excuse me, right here. This was the long entry below candle. Ended up taking it long. So that is exactly what I'm doing. So having good risk management, having that stop below the candle that you enter in on, and just pulling out a couple points in the market. Now you guys, you'll also notice here too, this is actually NQ. I'm trying to get more familiar with NQ. I love ES, you guys. ES is going to move a little bit slower in the market. NQ moves a little bit quicker, but I want to show that you can use these metrics on any future pair. I specifically like to trade, and this is what I tell my one-on-one trainings. ES, NQ, CL, which is crude oil, and GC, which is gold. I'm new to NQ, okay? I'm new to it and I'm getting better and better at it, but it's something that I'm still trying to just understand the market. And I am finding that these metrics are working really good with this. So individuals, if you want to trade NQ, this is a great video and explanation on how to exactly do that. If you're trading ES, very cool as well. take a look at a couple videos back that I ended up doing that ended up showing ES profits in the market. But again, if you guys are still here, make the one-time investment in yourself and join a lot of people that have seen some good success. I'll go and update this here, 868. Let's go ahead and update it for new people that have just joined. 68 to 74, so another 6 people just in the last 24 hours seen some good success. You guys remember, this is lifetime access. You never pay any monthly service fees. And trainings, I have 13 trainings this week. I actually have a couple trainings just today. You guys know what, while I'm on here, let's give a shout out today on the trainings that I have just today for individuals. Let's go to right here. All right, Carmen. Actually, we got a training today at 11, and then Massimo, I will see you, looks like at noon today. So that is awesome. I'm so excited to do some one-on-one trainings with those people, going over exactly how I trade the market. Another question that I get is, Justin, what do you go over in your one-on-one trainings? Well, I go over exactly this. I look at price action. We look at entries. We look at exits. We look at risk management. We look at overall how to set up your metrics on here. If you guys need help setting up take profit accounts, I will let you guys know take profit right now still has 50% off all of their accounts. And when you pass your accounts, all the fees that you pay to get started get reimbursed to you on your first payout. Literally, they're giving you free money at the end of it once you get your accounts approved. So that is really neat. I would love and highly suggest you guys take a look at that. It is the prop firms that I'm using and having some good success with it. I am not sponsored or endorsed by them at all. It's just something that I put my hard-earned dollars into, and I want to give that as a shout out here. All right, guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. You guys know me. I will get back to you right away. Please email me with any questions, but I just want to go over the recap here to show you guys today's profit and loss for today of 870. Doing a 100% win rate on these trades here. All right, guys, have a great one. God bless. Take care.